If you are a data scientist or you want to be a data scientist, whether you want to learn any programming language, I will recommend you to go with the Python. Why Python? First, the foremost question is why Python? Why not any other programming language? The only reason why Python is firstly because it has a simple syntax. I will explain you why, because if you see here also print, so I'll explain why it's a simple syntax. But the thing is that it's simple. If you are programming in Java, C++, or any other programming language, the syntax are not so easy to write. You have to write a lots of lines just to print a sentence. But in Python, you're done. Just print and that's it. You don't have to write anything. Another thing, it's a general purpose. What does this mean? General purpose. The thing is with the general purpose is that it can be used like in lots of things, like in console applications, or you want to make a desktop applications or web application or game, or even in ML, ML, AI, and big data. Everywhere is like the Python. So that's why Python is best in this sense as well. Another thing is it's a multi-paradigm support. What does it mean? What does the multi-paradigm support means? It means that it's procedural like C, object oriented like Java, and functional like Lisp. So if you have any knowledge of any other programming language, you can be like easy, and it's easier for you to learn, and you can code very easily. Another thing is portable or platform independent. What portable and platform independent is? It's like if you have worked on the Java, you know one thing, that Java compiles the code and then you can transport it to like any other applications or any other computer, and you can run the code. So that's why in the same way Python as well have the platform independability. So if you are coding here and transporting it to like sending it to somewhere else, they can also run things, so it's portable. Another thing is it's dynamically typed. In What does this mean? Like you don't have to write like it's integer type, it's a string type, it's a correct type, or it's whatever. Python knows that what you want to type. Also the thing is that most of the time it will consider as a string, but in most of the time you can see that it understands what you want to type. It's integer, it's a float, or it's a character, or what it knows. And one of the main feature which every programmer wants in their programming language is garbage collection. It's automatic. You don't have to do anything like collect the garbage. No, the Python does it for you. You don't have to worry at all about the part about the garbage collection. Now, coming to the coding part, why like why how we should write a print statement, and why you say like it's a simple syntax. I tried to print one hello. Just I wrote print and hello. See, it has given me the output hello. I don't have to write anything at all. Like in if you have worked on the Java, you could have seen print line system.out.print line. These many things. Before that, you have to write some things. You have to make some classes. You don't have to do anything here. It's just print and hello. Another thing with the print statement is if you are not printing anything, it accepts it as a new line. So see here I have printed hello bye, and it's a new line over here. And if you don't want the new line, okay, if you don't want the new line here, it will remain here, no problem. I'll just erase this part. Okay, so if you don't want the new lines, you can do one thing, is this end. What does end means? End means how you want to end the print statement. If you are writing it with the space, it takes a space hello bye. Like I saw you here, it was a new line. Here it's not a new line. Another command which the Python takes in the print statement is the separator. Like how you want to separate different types of things which is already available over there. So you can do this by the separator. In the next video, I'll be explaining what are the variables in Python, how the variables work. Till that, get ready to dive.